Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit for father name correction. First, understand that an affidavit is a sworn statement of facts, crucial for legal changes. You'll need to gather specific details about the incorrect and correct names, along with supporting identification. This document serves as legal proof, ensuring official records accurately reflect your father's identity. It's a straightforward process, but precision is key to avoid future complications. To begin, meticulously collect your father's full correct name and the name that needs correction. Also, include your complete name, your date of birth, and your current residential address. Crucially, identify the exact document requiring this change, such as a birth certificate or academic records. Clearly state the precise reason for the name discrepancy, providing all necessary context for the correction. Next, draft the affidavit on a non-judicial stamp paper, typically valued at 10 rupees or 20 rupees, depending on local regulations. Ensure the language is exceptionally clear, concise, and legally precise. Both you and your father must sign the document in the presence of a notary public or an oath commissioner. Their attestation legally validates the affidavit, making it an official and binding statement. Once notarized, submit the original affidavit to the relevant authority or institution responsible for the document needing correction. Always retain several certified copies for your personal records and future reference. Proactively follow up with the concerned department to confirm the correction is being processed efficiently. Be prepared to furnish any additional supporting documents they might request to finalize the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.